and we fixed here, and now we're gonna show you like what was the issue in the control board. So here we are, and some technician will start now to show you where was the issue. Actually the main issue was the display was not coming in the console, treadmill console. So now,
okay, this is what happened. First of all, the board came with this STR. It has cracked, and then we had this resistor, which apparently also blew out, and some small component here, resistors, which went bad. So actually what we did, we replaced the new STR, and then we replaced the burnt out components. And also we found out that the SMD resistors, small resistor, especially 102, which is equivalent to 1 kilo ohms, was also defective. But the resistor is very okay. You can see it physically, it's clean, but it's not working. It has lost its value. So what we did, we replaced the parts, the components that were required, and then we got an unstable voltage. All right. We had over 24 volts, so we had to look even further for a different fault. So we came to find out that we had a resistor which is also open, which is 1 kilohertz. So we replaced, and then now we have good power, stable power,
and it's working fine now.
Working fine.
And now we will show you after the fixing all the issue. Now we'll give you the demo of this control board, and we have motor and we have console of the machine. So
we will plug it in. Our wire is connected to a series just in case there's a problem, which will protect the unit from extreme damage. So we plug it in. Then from there we'll have our red light.
Yeah.
Right. So the motor is connected. It's a DC motor. It's connected, and we have our voltage input here. So the incline and the other stuff are not required at the moment. So after that, we come to our console. Here we have our console.